As we all know, construction is one of the most important industries in the world. Without it, there will be no roads, houses, and bridges. Construction projects are expensive and time consuming, but the most ambitious projects can cost billions of dollars. Money has enabled humans to design, build, and move things at incredible speed. If we look back to projects such as the Eiffel Tower, which has wowed many for long, it now seems a bit worthless compared to the skyscrapers and construction creations of today. If something seems impossible, it is likely that mankind will try and conquer it. We have already done amazing things such as building a tunnel under the English Channel which lay between England and France, and also flying to the moon. We are now going to take a look at some of the most expensive yet fascinating construction projects in the world. The underground Channel Tunnel, also known as the Tunnel, stretches 31.4 miles between the south coast of England and the north coast of France, underneath the English Channel. It features 3 tunnels, 2 for freight or passenger traffic and 1 for security use. Moreover, 39 kilometers of the tunnel passes underwater, which is a record for such a structure. This project was said to cost a sum of 22.4 billion American dollars. During the construction, the builders excavated 8 million cubic meters of rock. 11 boring machines were used to dig the tunnel. Together, they weigh a total of 12,000 tons, more than the Eiffel Tower, while each one was as long as 2 football pitch. One out of these machines from the British side remained buried under the channel. Another was sold on eBay for £39,999 in 2004. Construction costs were 80% higher than anticipated due to the increase in safety and environmental requirements. The project started in 1988 and was completed in 1994. According to the members of the American Society of Civil Engineers, this tunnel is one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. The US Interstate Highway is the most expensive project in the world, which cost a sum of 459 billion American dollars. The interstate highway system in America connects more than 47,000 miles and took almost 35 years to complete. Work began in 1955 after President Dwight D. Eisenhower proposed the project as being crucial for national defense and to help mobilize infantry in an emergency. Thanks to this project, travel for both citizens and military has been improved, and there are also more accessible routes in case of war. Located in Osaka, Japan's second largest city, is the Kansai International Airport, which cost a sum of 29 billion American dollars to construct. Planning for the new airport commenced in the 1960s, when city officials became concerned about losing trade to Tokyo. It was built in the water, resting on a man-made island in order to resist earthquake, tidal waves, and noise complaints. The airport was built to resist this kind of freak accident and has withstood both typhoons and earthquakes successfully since it was built. Part of the price tag went towards metal support columns and other structural pieces in order to prevent it from sinking. A second terminal was added in 2012 and is connected via a free shuttle to Terminal 1. Probably one of the most staggering construction feats of any generation, the International Space Station was a joint effort both financially and in the construction of the station. The 14 countries involved were US, Russia, Canada, Japan, Belgium, Denmark, France, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, Norway, Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland, and the total cost was split between all countries involved. The cost of the space station, which in today's price would be 160 billion American dollars. The first models were launched into orbit on 20th November 1998, and the station was crashed into the ocean in 2020 after 26 years of service. Songdo International Business District is a smart city built from scratch on 600 hectares of the reclaimed island. It is 65 km from Seoul. It is currently the largest successful investment project for private real estate investors. 61% of the total investment belongs to the American company Gale International, 30% to South Korean POSCO, and 9% to American Morgan Stanley. The latest technology allows Songdo residents to video conference with their neighbors, while sensors located in every building and on the street gather information to regulate lighting, alert authorities of criminal behavior, or inform passengers when the next bus is due. The Songdo Business District has been established to attract entrepreneurs and tourists from the nearby Incheon International Airport. It is planned to create copies of attraction from other cities, including Central Park. So, these are some of the most expensive mega construction projects in the world. What do you think about this expensive mega project? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, do not hesitate to leave a like and subscribe to the channel in the tutorial for more of this type of videos. With that being said, you all have a good and a wonderful day. God bless you. Bye bye.